This is an emergency, a geological alert. We notify you that the Earth will stop spinning in 2 hours. I repeat, we have no idea to protect you. Since it's an emergency alert caused by a serious scientific experiment and we were not ready for it.
Currently, the Earth is moving with 1600 kilometers per hour or 1000 miles per hour, rotating at the equator, and if suddenly everything stopped, all of us will be like a bullet triggered by the gun. On the Earth, the escape velocity is about 11.2 kilometers per second, which is approximately 33 times the speed of sound and several times the muzzle velocity of a rifle, which is 1.7 kilometers per second. We won't be leaving the atmosphere and running to space. Instead, everything will fall apart. No, we don't come back to the flat Earth theory. Earth isn't flat anyway. And there will be almost nothing that will be eligible to handle the impact of inertia. Just in 2 hours, everything and everyone will back into Stone Age. Mean every building or every development that we have done will be visually demolished. If you were the luckiest person alive, there is a problem for you again. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, resulting in high tides which will be as high as some highest mountains. Just by the touch impact of the water, which will be as hard as to jump from 830 meters to a concrete floor. Again, if you think that you are the luckiest person to survive, the probability will only be 0.00009% to be alive. The atmosphere will still be in motion, and a single wind blow is going to be like an atomic bomb detonated on a house. But all in the end, a great question. Why I don't feel the speed by a speed which I was familiar with when I was born. Let's use an analogy to break it down. Imagine a train moving at a constant speed. You can stand straight and even walk in the train, and still you cannot feel the motion of the train. The reason behind is that you and the train and everything inside it is traveling with you. That's what happened with the Earth and you itself. But everything completely changes when you went back out of the train or you come into the space. Just in the case of Earth, I need to convey it, a message to my brain. It always makes me wonder how small we are and how big we want to achieve. No matter how good or bad it is, we always try to play with nature, forgetting the limits of humanity. And as always,